1, 2, 3, 4.
এটাকে কি বলে আমি জানি না, নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে। আই নিড টু বাই ওয়ান, এটা কেনা উচিত। এটা দিয়ে কাজ চলতেছে, সো আমরা বাঙালি।
Yeah, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is the sun and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun.
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So the reason why I'm whispering is because it is currently 5:32 a.m. in the morning, and today I'm very excited because I'm going back to my country, Bangladesh. Allah koto mane I don't know, just family ke miss kore, bhal lage na ekhane eka. So yeah, as you can see, it's a travel vlog. It's gonna be a really long journey for me today. I have to take 2 transits. Not actually 2 transits, I have to take 1 transit. But first I have to go to Vancouver. But you know, the main thing of this video is I want to share my entire process in traveling. Like, what are my favorite airport snacks, what's in my bag, my skincare routine while I travel. Literally, I just want to take you through on what I have to do on my travel days. I thought it will be really fun to share with you guys, so let's get started. So the outfit I'll be wearing today is, first start with the turban. It's a cotton fabric and it's very comfortable, trust me. I just did a simple knot today because it's a very long journey. Like heavy কিছু করে মাথা ব্যথা করতে চাই নাই. So yeah. Second, it comes my specs. আমি এটা ছাড়া অন্ধ, কিচ্ছু দেখবো না আমি, দেখবো আরেক প্লেনে উঠে গেছি. So yeah, second is my specs. T-shirt? না, এটা t-shirt না. I think it's kind of sweater type. Yeah, it's a sweater because it's a fall season here and অনেক ঠান্ডা. It's very cold. It's very cold. So yeah, and come to the sweatpants. Oh no, these are not sweatpants. Oh my god. These are jeggings. And these are my shoes, and they're from Shein. Trust me, they're very comfortable. Yeah, that will be it. I don't want to put extra sweaters. I think I should because it's pretty cold outside, but niye koi rakhbo, back in my country onek gorom, to just simple ekta patla sweater se airport e dhuke jabo. So I'm not wearing any more jackets. So yeah, that will be it for my outfit. Let's tell you my schedule. Basically, at first I have to take a bus to Vancouver, which is at 8:15 a.m. So yeah, I just got ready for that. So I have to take the bus first, and I'll reach there at noon, something like 2 p.m. So first I have to go to Vancouver, and from there I'll take the main flight. It's a Turkish airline. I'll travel for 15 hours from there to Istanbul. And I have a transit of nearly 4 hours, not exactly 4 hours, but nearly 4 hours. I have transit there, and from there finally to my final destination and my home. I will be home. So yeah, so the bag that I'm actually gonna travel with is this cute backpack. I got this from Shein. This is so cute and perfect for your every traveling carry-ons, to be honest. And also I have a cute fanny pack along with it. I have my passport and all, everything in this. This was not expensive at all. I got these bags from Shein. They were really cheap and they're super comfy. It's a homey. I can tell you this is a perfect travel best friend that you can ever get. Actually, I'm gonna do what's in my travel bag today at the airport or sometime later in the vlog. But right now I'm in a rush. I can't do it right now. I have a bus to catch which is at 8:15 a.m. and currently it is 6:05 at the morning and I have to leave. It's 20 minutes drive, so yeah, see you in a bit. Hi there, so I'm currently in Vancouver airport right now. Well, it was a really long journey. It was 4 hours and yeah, I'm kind of tired. এখন ফ্লাইট উঠলে I'll pass out. ঘুম দেব একটা 12 ঘন্টার flight. But my flight is delayed since 5, what is it? It's 5:55 p.m. right now. So it was on 5:25. আধা ঘন্টা থেকে 20 মিনিট somewhat. So as we have time, let's do what's in my travel bag. ভাই আমি আগে থেকেই বলি আমার OCD প্রবলেমস আছে। আমি ব্যাগের মধ্যে অনেক বেশি পাউচ রাখি, অনেক উঠায় রাখি, এই জন্য আমার ব্যাগ ভারী থাকে। Do not judge me please. আমার ফ্রেন্ডস আমাকে গালি দেয় এগুলোর জন্য। So bag is here, but হেডফোনটা কানে দেওয়া, তো আমি এখান থেকে সব কিছু দেখাই বের করে করে। So the first thing is এটাকে কি বলে আমি জানি না, but it's for my eyes. এটা আমি sometimes skin care এর জন্য ইউজ করি. I think you have seen in the morning when I was doing my skin routine. আমার হেডব্যান্ডটা না নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে. I need to buy one. এটা কিনা উচিত। এটাতে কাজ চলতেছে, so আমরা বাঙালি, it's fine. So second pouch I have is hand cream, very essential, and then I have a little container of foundation. Container নিয়ে রাখি একটুখানি, লাগে না, আমি ট্রাভেলিং এর টাইমে মেকআপটা প্রেফার করি না বেশি একটা। Sanitizer, most important. I have a roll-on perfume that's from Zoe Portable. Not from Zoe Portable, its name is Zoe Portable, but it's from Miniso. Then I have a cute little mirror saying hey. It's from Miniso too. I'm Miniso freak. And then I have a travel size mouth spray. It's a mouth spray. Yeah, mouth spray. 2 shades of lipsticks. That's it. So that's all my, what do you call them? Hygiene stuff? They call them hygiene stuff and makeup stuff all together. Yeah, all together. So that is what it's in this pouch, and this pouch is also from Miniso. I got it from Didi. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna take out is this is the card wallet I have. I think I love this one because it slides out. So this is something I really love. It's like very nice, cute, but মোটা হয়ে থাকে অনেক, এটাই সমস্যা। But yeah, that's the card. I think এটাকে আর দেখানোর কিছুই নেই। And then I have another wallet that's for money. টাকার জন্য, টাকা 10 টাকার নোট আছে বাংলাদেশে, আর কিছু কাগজ আছে। তো এটা টাকার ওয়ালেট, আমি টাকা নিয়ে আসিনি, গরিব বলে। Okay, so let me show you a really cute thing. You'll see it's etc. So I have all the cables here of my phone, power bank. I have 2 headphones, wired headphone ones. কানে একটা দাও, এখানে আরো 2টা দেওয়া আছে। So yeah, that's all my wire stuff, like সব তার এটার মধ্যে। সাথে, সো এটা খুলে দেখানোর কিছুই নেই আমার. লাইক দ্য মোস্ট ইন্টারেস্টিং অ্যান্ড মাই ফেভারিট পার্ট অন মাই ব্যাগ ইজ this one. It's called Neatness. It's all my skincare product. I would love to show that. This is my lip balm from Laneige. This is a lip balm I'm carrying. This is a moisturizer from Ordinary, but I'm carrying a travel size. Yeah. This is a toner from Nivea. আমার পিক্সি টোনারটা আমি খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না. For my mask, এটা বের করার কিছুই নেই. And then I have a gua sha. I have my eye cream, like eye serum. And then I have this is niacinamide. Yeah, niacinamide for my redness on my face. I have wipes and some sheets mask, I guess. Yeah, I do have some. So yeah, that is everything on my travel bag so far. অনেক কিছু right now, অনেক pouches আমার ব্যাগে. এটা ভারী করে ফেলে আমার ব্যাগকে. But this is the most favorite thing on my travel backpack. So see, অনেকগুলো sheet mask আছে এটার ভিতরে, অনেকগুলো, like 2-3, and then my serums and everything. And I love the name, Neatness. It's cute. And একটা আছে সাথে, ওটা হচ্ছে fanny pack. এটার মধ্যে এখন আপাতত ক্যাশ আছে, কিছু ক্যাশ, কলম, আর কিছুই নেই. এটার মধ্যে পাসপোর্ট ছিল, পাসপোর্টটা বাইরে রেখে দিছি. That's it. So yeah, that's how it ends. What's in my travel backpack? I feel like that. অনেক কিছু, I guess, but it's all are essential for me. So the first thing they gave was a menu. Obviously they don't have much choices in there, but the one I picked was beef stew with vegetables along with buttered rice, and this is how it looks. I was watching my most favorite Disney movie, Cruella de Vil, and fall asleep right after my supper and woke up 1 hour before my arrival in Istanbul. So hey, morning. This flight was 8 hours and 35 minutes, but at this point I was so exhausted that I couldn't film anything. What I was doing was sleeping the entire time. I just woke up and had some food and then slept again, and then woke up right before my arrival to my final destination. So welcome home.